Okay. Now, 1 second. Why this got stuck? Yeah. So we have taken 3 variables and 1 normal function, except with a, but written in a different way, function expression type. So this is fine now for everyone. So suppose if I say click enter.
Okay. You mean inside this?
No. After that, after function, call that function. Just call that function. Okay. And whatever it returns now, collect it some in another variable called where. Whatever it is returning. No. See,
No, check
understand.
available.
No. Understand. Check availability is a function which is returning some data. Yes.
Yes.
So that data, how you will collect? After that or while calling that only?
I'll
Yeah,
call it.
while calling that. So you have to write it here. Here.
We have to store in a variable.
Yes, you have
Then
to store the result or return type, returned data in one variable where available rooms, available rooms
equal to
equal to, so check availability. So if you then console.log on the bottom in the
av-
12th line.
available rooms.
Yeah. Control S,
Yeah.
execute.
Okay. This one is
Just click O and tab. O and tab. Yeah. So available rooms 10. This is fine. Okay, this is fine. Very understandable, very easy to understand. These all because these are normal variables, the top one, and this is a normal function, but written in a different way, not a traditional function. It's a function expression. So we are calling that function and we are storing the result in one variable called available rooms and printing that. So this is clear for everyone now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Now, yeah, that's fine. Now, Pravalika owns another hotel as well. Okay, Pravalika owns. Okay, Pravalika's website will own another hotel as well. Let's say ITC. Okay. Now, these all things you have to repeat now. Suppose if there is no other concept, only this traditional concept, whatever we have discussed till now. So how you will do? Copy paste everything. Copy paste everything from top to bottom in the 14th line. Hmm? The 14th line, you made it. I mean, again, you declared
Change
everything.
the name.
So you need to change the name. Okay, you need to change the name.
numbers same.
Numbers you have to whatever. Okay, okay. Now, now imagine. Now imagine. This is okay. This is whatever whatever these all things are there, right? These all things are a little confusing because every time you have a new hotel entry, okay, new hotel, every time you have to write this complete set of code, na? Yes or no? Complete set of code you have to write. So what if there is a way, okay, there is a way where we write it one time, use it multiple times. Are you getting my point here?
Yeah.
So write it one time and use it multiple times. We don't need to keep on repeating. We don't need to keep on repeating again. So if there is a way, okay, if there is a way where we can write it one time and use it multiple times, then that concept is called as class and object concept. Okay, class and object concept. Now let us start that one. Okay, class and object concept. Let us start that one now. Okay, the issue is clear now for everyone. If you have 100 hotels, every time you have to write complete set of code and same names. where name, where rooms, where booked. So every time this will be little confusion. Okay, little confusing for us. Now instead of this, okay, instead of this, we will have write one time and use multiple times. Okay. Now, 1 second. Let me, okay, let me give you one example. So modify the code in that way. Control Z, click on Control Z. No. Let's say one thing. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. Go to the top. Okay, go to the top. So now write this way. In to the top, to the complete. 1 second. In the 14th line, you start writing. Then we'll remove that one. In the 14th line, write where. Okay, where space Hotel Westin, Hotel Westin, Hotel Westin equal to, okay, equal to, open the block, I mean parenthesis. Yeah. No, parenthesis. Or sorry, not parenthesis, flower bracket. Yeah, correct. Enter, click enter. Click enter. No, inside that.
No, in
Inside.
parenthesis.
Inside that. Okay. In that, you start writing this everything. But don't write where. That's it. You can copy paste that one.
Shall I cut it or just copy? You
Copy paste.
Cut.
For now, let's copy paste.
Okay.
Raghu, listen first, okay? Name instead of equal to, give like this. Colon. Okay?
Yeah.
Then same rooms colon. Okay? Then where remove that one. Yeah, remove that one. Instead of equal to, even in the check availability also, instead of equal to, give colon. Okay?
Sure.
Now remove 25th and 26th line. Remove completely. So whatever the top code is there, that only we pasted. Now instead of giving a semicolon at the end, start giving comma. So comma separated. Okay, comma separated list of key and values. Okay, again one more comma. Now, okay, go to the top. We have this way of writing. In this way, every time new hotel adds, everything need to change. Okay, everything need to change. So available rooms, if I ask available rooms every time the last hotel's rooms only I can fetch Yes or no? So if this is not the way, then what is the other ways writing this way? Now if I want another hotel, what I will do? Copy from 14th to the end, paste it somewhere else. After that, yeah. Then hotel ITC. Just name it hotel ITC. Hotel ITC. Then change the name ITC. And give numbers like 25, like that.
Yes.
Now how many objects? This is called object. So in every programming language, we start with class, then understand object. But in JavaScript, we learn object first, then we'll go with the class. So this is called as object. First, this is called as object. Okay. This complete thing is there now from here to here, one block. Okay.
You mean this one is object?
Hotel ITC is a object which has 3 properties, 1 method. Okay. What are these? These are not normal variables. Now from now we say if this is in the object, this is in the object or this is in the class, then we say it as a properties. Okay. Properties of the class hotel ITC. Okay. With key booked value 15, with key rooms and value 25. And this is called not a function. Now this is called as what? Method. Okay. No. This one. The function is not a normal function. We say a method which belongs to the object hotel ITC. Okay. In the top also we have one more object called hotel Westin. In the bottom here we have hotel ITC. There we have same properties and same method. Here also same properties, same method. But Salesforce, I mean the JavaScript knows this is hotel and this is another hotel. This is hotel Westin, this is hotel ITC. Okay. Now whatever I have declared in this na, they are useful here only. I mean they are useful, they belongs to this one. And here whatever I declared, they are belonging to this one. So no conflict between the names. Is that okay till now?
Mm.
Everyone, is it clear till now?
In that case,
Yes,
like
Anna.
we
Hmm.
need to add each and every object name like this.
Yeah, each and every object name we have to add because we don't know the class concept yet. Okay.
Mm.
When we know the class concept, again a few more enhancements will come. Okay. For now, for each and every hotel, there will be each and every different object. Okay. Prolika, is it okay now?
Yeah, I'm thinking like if there are lots of hotels, like it's a number is big, then we can't write this many lines of code, right? It is like a space occupying, more space occupying.
Yeah, more space occupying. But this is like then we have another ways. Okay, we have another ways. But for now, let's imagine that we have like this way only. We have only this way. Okay, the way
Okay.
of writing a object. So first, our problem is what? If there are multiple hotels, there is a naming convention issue, naming collision issue. In the yesterday's documentation, I have clearly mentioned that whenever you are writing a function, whenever you are writing a variable, so consider the scope because scope will have a name collision issues. Name collision. Two variables with the same name, two functions with the same name. So the last function, the last variable will only have the actual value. The rest before that the values will go. So that was the issue. For that issue, we have solved by using the concept of object. Whatever the data belonging to one hotel encapsulated in one object. Whatever the data belonging to the another hotel encapsulated in one different object. Okay, maybe the names are same but it's not our issue now because they belong to the object hotel Westin and these are belongs to hotel ITC. Is that okay?
It's okay, but we are not binding all together in a one function, right?
No, why function concept here?
As you said, encapsulation. So I am thinking in that way.
No. See, the word encapsulate have different synonyms.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, the encapsulation in my perspective is now here we are putting everything, the properties and the object in one particular properties and methods in one particular object.
Okay.
Okay, in particular object. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's clear.
Hmm. Now, suppose if I want to print the availability in hotel ITC, then what I have to do? Go outside the function, call it. How you'll call? We use something called as member operator or we say dot notation. Okay, dot notation. Like where available rooms, some name where available rooms in hotel ITC, rooms in hotel ITC is equal to
Yeah.
hotel ITC dot okay, hotel ITC dot check availability. Huh. Now No, nothing. Just okay. Now these rooms, okay, rooms and booked are where they are declared here. Here only, na? Where they are having values here only, na?
Yeah.
Means these belongs to this object only. Yes or no? So this object only it belongs to. So I have to tell them, I have to tell here, return, don't calculate rooms minus booked. Calculate in this way. This dot rooms minus this dot booked. This is similar to the LWC, na?
Yes.
LWC, we used to do like this only. We have the properties here. Okay. We have the properties like this only. And we have functions we have to write in traditional way. Okay. There we have to write this way. Okay. There we have to have this way. This dot, this dot. Okay. Means I'm telling use use the rooms which are in this hotel only. In this object only. Okay. To calculate the difference. Now execute and I
Where
mean,
this
yeah, console.log. Similar to the above, calculate the rooms for the, I mean, ask the rooms for the hotel Westin.
is
Okay. Any issue? Right,
no,
fine, right? Yeah. So 10, 10, 10. Why?
okay, I will change the values. Wait. All will give 10 only. Let me
Okay.
make it with 5, I guess. Which is 5 only.
Hmm.
So one.
Okay. Hotel IT. No, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. Hotel ITC, you are calling. Can you come down? Hotel Westin, Hotel ITC. Yeah. Okay. Done. Fine.
From starting, if you say 20 minus 10 is 15. When this
Yeah.
function
Yeah.
coming to Hotel Westin,
It's 10.
yeah, then it
Then,
will be 20.
okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Clear for everyone?
Clear
Yes,
for
sir.
me.
What happened here? Check availability function is same. Okay. Function is same, but it belongs to different object. Okay. The top check availability is a method outside the, sorry, it's not a method now. It's a general function. Okay. It's a general function because it is not inside the object. This is outside the object. It's a general function. So it works as usual. We know that. Okay. Then coming to the 14th line, we have the Hotel Westin object where it has properties and methods which are encapsulated, means binded together. Okay. This is a method. Okay. This is a method and these are properties. I mean the data. So properties and methods are binded in one single entity na. Okay. In single entity na. This is encapsulated. We say encapsulation. Now it is okay, Pravalika. What is like why we are calling it as encapsulation?
Yeah, I understood. One more question.
Hmm?
Can we use this keyword inside this function, like a check availability function, for
Uh,
this?
this dot no, because these are global. Okay, these are available already.
Okay.
So these are
So only for this particular object we have
objects.
to
Yeah,
this we
objects.
are using.
Means there are multiple objects na, it won't understand. Suppose, okay, suppose don't use this dot, this dot, this dot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now execute. What happened?
It was taking the main function. This.
So it is taking the global values because I didn't tell them to consider the this object's data. I just told them the rooms minus booked. So it will ignore the properties or the data belonging to its class and it will take the global data. Clear? Why we are using this? This we will use that because to tell the system that whenever you are calculating the hotel Westin's check availability, then consider the hotel Westin's rooms and hotel Westin's booked. Okay. Here this is a keyword. Okay, this is a keyword which refers to the hotel Westin. Instead of telling hotel Westin dot rooms, hotel Westin dot booked, we say this dot rooms, this dot booked. Okay, this is a special keyword. Okay, which can be used in a object perspective. Means it's a object itself. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah, it's clear for me.
Yeah, this is the one of the OOPS concept, object oriented programming language, one of the concept called encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding together the data, that means the properties. Okay, data, that means the properties, and the methods, that means function, in one single entity called object. Object oriented programming language, one of the key concept is encapsulation. Is this clear for everyone? Okay. Okay. Now, how to do updating? Suppose you know how to show the data. Okay, how to show the data, it's clear for you all. But
Mm.
now, how to update the particular data? How to update a particular data? That
I
means what? Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
object name.
Yeah. So if I want to change the name of Westin, okay, if the change of if I want to change the name of Westin to all capital letters, so how I should do it? I don't want to change there. I want to change outside somewhere else.
We have to call with this object, like object
Yes.
dot name equal to, we have to write the new name
Yes.
of.
So hotel Westin. Same. We are running for the check availability now. How we are running that check availability? Hotel Westin dot check availability. We are running that function. We are calling that function. Similarly, we have to tell hotel Westin dot name equal to, okay, equal to some, write in the capital letters. Okay. Now then again update its availability also. I mean booked, number of hotels booked, number of rooms booked. Don't update there. After the, like in the 29th line, hotel Westin dot booked equal to 15 or some 22, make it 22. Now again check availability, check availability. Now again check availability. How you'll check availability for the hotel Westin?
Okay. Why?
Yeah, hotel Westin dot. No, 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 no. See, you can directly call now. Hotel Westin dot check availability. Then it will print the available number of data, available number of rooms. Clear? Yeah. Execute. So I8, first it was 10, then we updated, okay, the name and the number of rooms that got booked. Then what happened? Check availability. If you execute, it got executed. Clear for everyone?
But we have to print this name also.
And yeah, you can
Change.
print it console.log hotelwestin.name. Okay, clear for everyone?
Yes, Anu.
Okay, okay. Now we can update this way, hotelwestin.name. We can also update hotel. Okay, we can also update in the 32 line, just write Hotel Westin, flower, oh, sorry, square bracket, Hotel Westin, square bracket. In the square bracket, just to mention its key. We call it as a key. What key we want to update? Booked. Booked is a key. Not as a normal data. It's as a string we have to pass now when we are using square bracket. So it's a key value pair. It's like a general map concept. Equal to, no, equal to,
Yeah, okay, here.
yeah, there, equal to some 29. Hmm, 29. Then check availability again. Console.log check availability. Hmm.
Hotel.westin or
Yeah. If you ask to check availability, then it will call the normal function, which is in the top. If you tell it Hotel Westins, then it sees, oh, okay, Hotel Westin has a method. That method only it will call. Execute.
here it is 38 is now.
Hmm. Start. So 8, it was 30 minus 22, it was 8. Then 30 minus 29, it was 1.
Mm.
So we can update as in the 32 line, or we can update as in 30 line. Okay. Copy paste this one into our WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Hmm. Then is it clear till now?
Yes, Anu.
Okay.
Anna, till now we have changed the properties, right?
Yes.
In function.
Not in function. Not in function.
What in
We
function?
changed
Okay. Yeah, we
in
can
object.
change
We can change.
in function, like inside object we have function.
So you want to write
Inside
some.
function.
See, data can only be changed, not the logic.
Okay.
Function is a logic. The
Mhm.
properties are the data. Okay, name, rooms, book. These are data. So they are getting changed in the sense the value, the runtime value is getting changed. But when it comes to the check availability function, if you want to write, you have to go to the object and write. Apart from that, you can't write it anywhere else. Okay. If you want to make your function dynamic, okay, dynamic, then you have to pass the parameters, arguments, parameter, that concept. You know that concept, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's say there is a check availability function only, but it accepts VIP rooms. Okay. Here here in the Westin Hotel, na, in the Westin Hotel, in the 19th line, after in the function, pass one parameter. Okay.
Inside this.
Yeah, pass one parameter. VIP rooms. VIP rooms. Okay. So return this dot rooms minus this dot booked minus VIP rooms.
Yeah.
No. Wait. Just keep it there itself. After booked, na, enter minus.
Okay, here only.
Yeah. Just see, there are no, not this. This is a direct data which is coming to the function. Booked and rooms are the data of the hotel Westin object, but VIP rooms is a data which is directly coming into the function. Understand
Yeah.
this one. Understand this difference. The difference between the VIP rooms and the these rooms, normal rooms. Okay. Are you getting my point?
No, I mean, can you repeat again?
Yeah. See, when I asked you to calculate the difference, the difference is these rooms minus, okay, these rooms minus number of rooms minus booked minus VIP rooms, okay, for general people, not for
Yes.
VIP, for general people. So this dot rooms minus this dot booked minus VIP rooms, okay. Now you started writing this dot VIP rooms, yes or no?
Yes.
So why? Because you thought this VIP rooms also belong to this object only, na? So that's why I will be using minus this dot VIP rooms. But
Okay.
that is not the concept here. We should not use this now for the VIP rooms because VIP rooms is a direct variable which belongs to this function. Okay, this is in this concept is called inside the function. Okay, inside the function, na? This data is outside the function but inside the object. That's why we write this dot rooms, this dot booked. For VIP rooms, direct VIP rooms minus VIP rooms.
This VIP rooms argument also belonging to inside this object only, no?
No. That is not belonging to the object. That function is belonging to the object. But these VIP rooms, now we are passing from somewhere else. Okay, this is called inside the function. Once execute that one. Minus, I mean, right here minus.
Or shall I write another?
No. Another. If you write two written statements can't be accepted. Minus VIP rooms. See, actually, let's go back to our LWC. Okay, Prolika, if you remember LWC, whatever the data which is outside now, for that we used to write this dot, this dot. Yes or no?
Correct.
There used to be some function, then some data. Let A, let B. Here we used to write.
It is inside the function.
That is inside the function. So this also like that only. This also part of a function. That's why we won't use.
That's what my question. So in that case, it belongs to inside this object only. No, this doesn't belongs to the another. I mean, this function doesn't have argument here. If you see,
So that belongs to the object, but it is
only it belongs, right?
yes, that belongs to the object, but to the function only. Again, if you have some another function, let's go down. Little go down. If there is some another, no, just go up, inside that object only, Western object, inside the Western object only. If suppose there is another function here inside this object only, check VIP rooms. This VIP rooms, that VIP rooms, we can't be same because this belongs to inside the function and this function belongs to this object.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a function scope, this function scope. But in general, this function is a part of the object. Is this clear for everyone or do anyone have?
If we pass same argument here in the main function,
yeah, pass it. Yeah,
that
pass it.
case we have to write this dot VIP rooms. If
No,
we are
not needed.
passing
Not
it
needed.
here. If we are not passing it here in case.
If you are not passing, if it is outside the object, then normal VIP rooms again still works.
Yeah.
Okay. because it is outside the function. So outside the object. If it is suppose, if it is here, VIP rooms, then definitely we have to use this dot VIP rooms. Okay.
I'll execute this.
Yeah. Raghu, Varshit, Jitender.
Yeah, no. If we
Oh,
pass any properties in function, we have to not write this dot that
not properties.
property
We say arguments or
argument.
parameters.
Yeah, argument or
Properties are something which belongs to the object.
yeah.
So when we pass it as
If
a
as
parameter
a
or as argument, let's say, then there is no need because it means that it is a part of the object.
yeah, it is a part of
Sorry, a part of
function.
function.
Function. Yeah.
Now,
So here also I need to pass, right?
here you need to pass the data.
Yeah. So any number I will pass it.
Yeah,
Here I will pass some
no, it will give minus values because 30 minus negative values you will get.
minus 10, right? This is fine, I guess.
22
Sorry,
already
20 minus
80.
10 is fine. So here it is 22. Okay.
So 32 it will become total.
2. Okay.
Yeah, 2.
This is
Let
3.
Yeah, this is 3 and change is 29 to 19. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Now execute. So
Mm.
6 nan that one the top 27th line. Yeah,
So here I will pass 4.
yeah. Clear for everyone? Westin Hotel has 6 one time, 8 one time. Then the other ITC have 20. Chandana and Varshit. Is this
Yes.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, clear.
Hmm. So this is very important. Understood now this one? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is called as creating a object. Okay, this is called now you created like this now, like this. Okay, these flower brackets like this. I mean, this one. This is this way of creating any object is called as literal notation. Literal notation. Okay, literal notation. The way of creating a object with flower brackets. Okay, okay. Okay, this is called as clear now? Okay, literal notation.
Yeah, clear.
Now create another example file, object example2.js. Okay. One second. Hmm. Now, just 1 minute. Yeah, we have something called as constructor notation. This is very important. This is very important, very, very important. We say it as a constructor notation. Constructor notation is where hotel equals to where hotel equals to where hotel equal to new space object parenthesis. New space object, capital O, object, full form, object.
You want to, okay.
Yeah, object, parenthesis. Not flower bracket, the parenthesis, yeah.
Okay.
This is called as way of creating the object with constructor notation. Okay, constructor notation. Now, what is this constructor? This object is there na? This object is called as a object constructor. Okay, object constructor, which is a special keyword. Keyword means like this. It's a standard thing. It's a standard thing of creating a object. One of the standard way of creating the object. Now, how to assign the data to this? So there will be a question, how to assign the data to this? So this is very simple. Now, okay, now Westin Hotel, okay, Westin, let's say for the Westin Hotel, okay, instead of writing hotel, again, let's say Hotel Westin.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, there only. In the hotel only, Hotel Westin. Okay, Hotel Westin. Now, in the second line, write Hotel Westin dot name. Okay, Hotel Westin dot name equal to Hotel Westin dot name equal to we need to say some Hotel Westin, capital letter Westin. Same like that. Same data. Okay. Now, rooms equals to 40, booked equals to 25. Not normally. Same. Hotel Westin dot rooms. Same again. Hotel Westin dot. Same. Hotel Westin dot check availability equal to function bracket open. Okay, bracket open. Then write the function. Same, you know na how to same that function only you have to write here.
Which function?
Same previously you have written na? In that example. Normal return this dot rooms minus.
Okay, you are asking. Dot
Rooms minus this dot book. Okay. Now create copy paste this one. Copy paste this one.
Yeah.
Down. Instead of Hotel Westin, change it to ITC. Control that. No, just control that. Yeah. Now, in the after 13th line, just click enter and write hotel ITC dot VIP rooms equal to 5. Okay. Now here 17th line, this dot rooms minus this dot booked minus this dot VIP rooms. 17th line.
in return state.
Okay, this dot rooms minus this dot booked minus.
Okay. Now you see here. Did we create an object first anywhere, or just started updating the values? We created in single line of code a object. Then directly we started assigning the values and the functions. Now created another object. Started assigning the values later. Now see the difference. The 14th line, VIP rooms. VIP rooms I don't need in the Hotel Westin. So I didn't add it there, but I added here. Okay. That object and this object are different. Yes or no? That object and this object are different, but they work in the same way. Say no naming collisions. Yes or no? Here also VIP rooms. Outside the object only I have written. But I told this VIP rooms, not general VIP room. It belongs to the hotel ITC. Okay, this booked is a variable which belongs to the hotel ITC. Rooms belongs to the hotel ITC. That means we created the object, then started binding the data. And I mean the properties and the methods. Is this clear? This is possible. Okay, this is possible with the help of this one, object notation. Okay, object notation. Then you may get a question. When we have that correct way of writing the object where we can see the properties and the methods, okay, where we can see the properties and the methods in one single entity, then why we are writing this way? And once we created the variable, I mean the object, then started assigning the data, I mean the properties and the methods. What is the use of this? Okay, what is the use of this? This is a way generally a class and object will work. We'll come to that point. Okay, we'll come to that point. This is general way of writing a class and object. Then why it is useful? Why it is useful is, suppose you want to add one more data to this Westin. Okay, Westin. Right here, hotel Westin dot under maintenance rooms equal to some data. Okay, fine. Then you assign one method called hotel Westin dot actual available rooms equal to this is a method now. Okay, this is a method. You are assigning a method. So equal to write a function. Same like top you have written. Same like this one, write a function.
Check availability.
No.
Function.
See here already this is the name now.
Yeah.
Okay, let me name it in a correct way. Check available rooms. Check actual available rooms. Write it here. Check actual available room. This is a function. I want to have a function. Okay. Copy paste this one.
Okay.
You got my point, right? I am not asking you to create a data property. I wanted you to create a method. Okay, equal to function. Yeah.
And
Return total. This dot rooms minus this dot book minus this dot VIP rooms. Okay, maybe VIP rooms will not be possible because Westin don't have VIP rooms.
instead of this,
Yeah.
this I need,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Now you see there is an object where in the top But here we are controlling, we are modifying the object's properties and the object methods also, na? This is very easy to understand now. Okay, there is a object with the name Hotel Westin. I may add the properties, I may delete the properties, I may modify the properties, I may add the methods, I may modify the methods. Okay,
Yeah, it
Raghu,
is like
uh, uh,
having different properties, but we follow the same structure.
same structure, same structure. If you want to add, I will keep on
Yeah.
adding to that only. It's like my container, I keep on pushing the new methods, new properties whenever it's needed. This is called as a constructor notation. Generally, we follow this constructor notation only, but sometimes it's very easy to understand in that literal notation. Okay? Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So this means when this example, what it shows, we can add the new properties and the function at any point of time wherever the object may be created. Not only in this object notation it works in that notation as well. Okay, it works in that notation. Go to the first example. I mean the object example. No. Yeah, okay. The beside tab. Here you click on yeah. There also you can add it. Here also you can add it somewhere else. Just to go to the bottom and say Hotel Westin dot under maintenance room.
Then why we use object constructor? Yeah, I mean here also we can do the same thing. Why we
just
use
it's a
this
different way.
object
It's a different way. We use that one. Okay, we use that one to create any object which belongs to particular class. We'll come to that class concept now. Okay. This is a class.
I
and
need to add another property here.
where exactly you're there? Yeah. Okay. No. Under maintenance rooms is a property.
Okay.
Same that code only you paste here. It works.
Okay. I thought like only. That's fine. I will write it.
Yeah.
I'll just return only this.
I didn't get you.
No, I'm writing it like.
Minus this dot under maintenance room.
Yes.
Okay. Now you see here. Here also we can add it. There also we can add it. Okay. No problem for that. No problem. But why we started practicing this way of writing is, I'll show you now. I'll show you. Till here it's clear now?
Yeah.
Done. For everyone it is clear. This should be very clear. We are going to some little advanced concept now. If you have questions, let me know. I will clarify now itself. No questions? That is the one way of writing object. This is one way of writing object. That concept is called creating an object with a constructor notation. Constructor notation. This way of creating an object is called, the previous one is called way of creating a object with a literal notation. Yeah, okay, correct. Yeah, you're in this example, no? Now you had a question, no? Probably in the starting you asked me like, if you have hundreds of hotels, then each time do I need to write this complete set of 5 to 6 lines of code? So for
Yeah.
that we'll find a way now. Okay, write object example 3. So write object example 3, many objects are example 3. Okay, that's fine, whatever name it may be.
Okay, I will write as encapsulation. Okay.
No, don't write encapsulation. These all are
Mm.
all things are many objects. Example. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, fine. Write a general function.
If you ask me general function, I will write add function.
Yeah. No. Hotel only. Again, we want hotel only. Okay. Just write hotel in a general way. Okay, that's fine. Now, hotel, for the hotel, you pass 3 parameters.
Okay.
Name, rooms, booked. Okay. This dot name, clearly understand each and every line. Okay. This dot name equal to, okay, equal to name.
Any name, right?
No. This name only. This one.
Mean any name.
This name. Okay. Means this function is there, na? This function in the internally function will create one blueprint. Okay, one blueprint. In that blueprint, there will be a variable called name. Okay, there will be a variable called name. Okay. Now, okay, 1 second. Yeah. To not make you confused, let's say H name, H rooms, H booked. H name, H room, H booked. Okay. Now H name means whatever the H name that passed as an argument from a different place to this will be received as a parameter. That parameter I am assigning it to what? A name variable which belongs to the function hotel. Is that okay?
Okay.
Now write this dot rooms equals to H rooms. Okay. Now same this dot check availability. Equals to same, write a function, then return this dot rooms minus this dot book.
This dot rooms.
Okay, clear now? Now how you will use normal suppose hotel Westin I want to create. How you created previously? Write it in the 13th line or 14th line. Click some enter. Yeah.
Using like var.
Yeah, where hotel Westin. Constructor notation, not literal notation. Constructor notation, how you done? Yeah,
New
hotel
object.
Westin. Yeah, write it that one right here. New object, parenthesis. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. Then what you have done? Hotel Westin dot rooms. You assigned that way. So it became a lengthy code. Okay, it became a lengthy code. Now, instead of writing this one, Right? Where Hotel Westin. Where Hotel Westin.
Shall I remove this line?
Yeah, just comment. Just comment.
Okay.
Where Hotel Westin equal to same new Westin equals new space. Write this hotel. Hotel.
This one.
Hotel here.
Okay.
If anyone knows Java or any other language, that will be similar to this line of code. Okay. Now pass. Okay. Name as a first parameter. Name it as Westin. No. The name, the actual data.
Okay.
The actual data.
Okay.
Westin is not a key, not a variable, no? It's a data. Data means it's a string.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now second parameter, second argument to be passed is some value 30 or 50. Yeah, okay, fine. Then next 10 and yeah, next. Now hotel ITC.
Okay.
Where hotel ITC equal to same like this only. Written one time. If you remember my first statement, we have written hotel once, but we are using twice here. Is it clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Now next, enter, click enter. Now call hotel westin.check availability and print it. Then hotel itc.check availability, then print it. Directly you can print it. Yeah, directly console.log hotel westin.check availability.
Instead of writing this one.
Okay. Now execute. It works still. Write CLS, CLS in the command. Yeah. Now, yeah.
What is this?
It worked fine, right?
40 minus for that. Yeah.
Is it clear now? So this is the use of using the this way of this way of writing.
So mostly in real time.
This is the way.
This way, right? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the way. We create one class, class kind of thing. Then we use the. Now this is in general in another programming language we say this is a class hotel. Okay, this is a class hotel, and these are the objects. Hotel Westin is object. Hotel ITC is object. The previous batch students, Jitender, Bhargav, if you remember, we used to write the same way na, in Apex. We used to have one class, then we used to have objects.
Yeah.
Account we used to create like this only. Contact we used to create like this only. But there we used to have little different. First name, last name, but same way, new. Yes or no? I told you clearly, class and object concept. So same applies here. This is the class, this is the object. But in JavaScript, we say this is the object, this is the object only. I mean, this is not, this is the object, and these are these are the also objects only. Okay. But this is called function. Okay. Generally, this is a function function. Okay. This is normal function only now. Normal function, and that function we have created objects. So created object using function concept. Why we use this way? When we know that this part of code is going to be used many times. Okay. So this is called as a template. Okay, template, not a class. So we call it a template for creating the object, and these are our actual objects where we have the data. And what is the name of first object? Hotel Westin, Hotel ITC. But part of code is completely same. We just pass the data. Here it is same na, object constructor notation only na. This is also constructor only. This is also constructor. This is a standard constructor. This is our custom constructor which we created in the top. Clear, Pravalika, this concept?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, it's clear.
So this is so it's a constructor function. This is a constructor function, and we have a object for that. And these are the values we are passing. Okay, this is a new keyword. New means to tell the computer that create a new memory location that will match the structure of this hotel. Means own names booked, I mean rooms name booked. So these all I want in new memory location. Okay, again new memory location with the structure of this hotel with the values as this one. So it's a new means create a memory location. Clear?
Mm.
Hmm. Now removing the properties. Adding the properties at any point of time, you got it now? Write it anywhere. You can add the properties now. In previous examples, we have seen now.
Mm.
Now deleting the properties. Let's see. Don't consider this one. Just go to the example 2.
Mm.
Okay. Here, let's say to the down, somewhere else. Yeah, hotel Westin dot. What you want to delete? Suppose let's say under maintenance you want to delete. Okay. Hotel
Mm.
Westin dot under maintenance rooms. You write it. Yeah, under maintenance rooms. Hmm. Before this line, just say delete.
Mm. You mean
Ah,
here?
yeah, there. Delete space this one.
Mm.
Clear for you, everyone?
No, it'll go.
Hmm? Yeah, console.log. Just to print hotel Westin dot. Yeah, under maintenance. Undefined.
Mm. Yeah.
Clear? Sorry,
Um, at least it should print all this, no?
which
Okay,
one?
there is.
There is no
Okay, okay.
console.log now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, you have a console.log at a 28 line undefined. There's nothing there. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? I'll give more examples. Okay. Day by day, examples are becoming more and more. Try to write them in your VS Code. When you write them in VS Code, at the point of writing any exam, going for any interview, you just start executing or modifying the code directly and you'll see the output. So it will be very easy for you to practice. You have this, weekend. By this weekend, you start writing all the examples which I have in my blog in one file. Okay, in one just like this examples. Example 1, example 2, example 2, or class 1, class 2, class 3. You name it and write it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is okay. This is super fine. Now in the next class we say array of objects, object which has arrays. So there are multiple things to learn. Once that is done, we'll go with the document object model. Okay, that is the point concept of HTML. Then so we are done with this JavaScript and HTML things. Then we'll jump to the like LWC, and there with the help of this async await, we'll do more things. We'll keep learning async await more. Promises also, callbacks also. Oh, callbacks, I think I didn't know. This is a okay, this is the issue. Yeah, callbacks is one more topic left.